In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Schedule by Zapier step by step so you can automate tasks on a timer instead of doing them manually every hour, every day, or on whatever schedule you need. This is a super useful way to save time, stay consistent, and build simple automations that run in the background while you focus on other work. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Zapier and sign into your account. Once you're inside your dashboard, you're ready to create your first automation. On the left side or top menu, click Create. Then select Zap Workflows. This opens the workflow builder where you can start building a new Zap from scratch. Now we're going to set up the trigger. Click Trigger to choose what starts the automation. In the search bar, type Schedule by Zapier. When it appears, select Schedule by Zapier from the list. This is the app that lets you run actions on a time-based schedule instead of waiting for another app event. Next, choose your trigger event. For example, if you want something to happen every hour, select every hour. Zapier may also show other schedule options depending on your plan and workflow type, such as every day, every week, or at specific intervals. Pick the one that matches the automation you want to build. After that, it's time to add an action. Click Action to tell Zapier what should happen when the schedule runs. In the app search box, type the app you want to use, like Gmail. Then, select the app from the results. Once the app is added, choose an action event. For example, if you want Zapier to send an email automatically, select Send Email. This is where you define the actual task your Zap will perform. Now, connect your account. Zapier will ask you to sign in and grant permission so it can access the app and complete the action on your behalf. Follow the prompts carefully, choose the correct account, and approve the connection. After that, review your action settings and make sure everything looks right. Double-check the email recipient, message content, or any other fields that apply to your workflow. Once your trigger and action are both set up, click Build It. Zapier will generate the automation based on the steps you selected. Take a moment to review the final Zap before turning it on. If everything looks good, click Publish. This activates your workflow so it can start running on the schedule you chose. And that's it. You've now learned how to use Schedule by Zapier to create a timed automation from start to finish. This is a powerful way to automate reminders, notifications, reports, emails, and many other repeat tasks without needing to manually trigger them yourself. If this video helped you, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.